Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Wuruhi me ngā Hēpara by Aesop. It's a really short Paki Poto, and next week, all going to plan, we should have Chapter 3 of Te Kiri Matarau Mīharo o Oz. So don't forget to come back for that. There are two kupu hou in our Paki Poto. The first is hamumu, and it means to mutter. Ka kohete I te tama, kātahi ia ka hamumu ki āia anō. The boy is told off, and then he mutters to himself. Our second kupu is mātene. It's a kupu mino, and it means mutton. He mātene te kai a te pōnei. We have mutton for dinner tonight. Kia are mai ngā taringa, listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hāna nā hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te wuruhi me ngā hēpara, nā Aesop. Ara te wuruhi, ka hārau atu ki tētahi wharau no te hēpara. Ka kite I ētahi o ngā hēpara, kua apu I tētahi wāhi mīti mātene. E ki, tāna I hamumu ai. Kua kino kē atu te karawhiua ōku e nei tāne, me I kite I au e pēnāna. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, heri te tonu tā te tangata whakahē, I te mahi a ētahi, ka mahi a hoki e ia. The Wolf and the Shepherds by Aesop. A wolf, chancing to pass a shepherd's hut, saw some shepherds making merry over a joint of mutton. A pretty row, quoth he, would these men have raised if they had caught me at such a supper? The moral being, people are apt to condemn in others the very thing they themselves practice. Tēnā rawa atu koe I tau whakarongo mai. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. Whakamiere doesn't run ads, nor does it have any partnerships with sponsors. So all of our tautoko comes from our Patreon supporters. Any support we get through Patreon enables us to focus more of our efforts on producing content for the podcast, like today's Paki Poto. So if you're in a position to support us, not only will it help us pay our bills, it will also benefit the rest of our whānau whakamiere and help us get even more content out. Even better, if you're a kaimahi and kura, kōhanga reo, puna reo, or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Kaimahi can get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content, which is more than 100 episodes. Just email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address, and we'll send you a Patreon link. This is still just $6 a month for anyone else who wants to join, and a big mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast simply couldn't be ad-free. Head on over to patreon.com/whakamiere to learn more about our subscriptions. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to and want to show your tautoko in another way, please consider leaving a like and a review on your favourite podcast app. It makes a massive difference. And if you've got friends in whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you want to get in touch with us about the podcast, or to redeem your free access as a kaimahi, you can email us or send us a message on Instagram. Ko Taurapa au e mihi nui ana, hei a koe nei e hoa mā.